Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video tutorial, we will learn how to download and install PostgreSQL on Windows 11. So let's start. So first we will go to Chrome. We will search for, go to this first link. Click on this download button. So now here we have different version of PostgreSQL available per different operating systems. As we have to install it on Windows, we will click on this Windows button. Now go down here. The latest version is 17. So we will go to this download the installer. Now click on this first one. The download has started. I will cancel this because I have already downloaded this. If I go to this downloads folder, and now if I go down, you can see here the installer, so I'll double click on it to open it. Now click yes, click next here, leave it as it is. All these options should be checked. Click next, next. Here you have to provide a password. So I'll provide mine and click next. This is the default port. Click next, 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 and it will start unpacking all the files. Now it will take some time in installation, so we will wait. So now the installation is complete, so I'll click finish. I'll cancel this one. Yes. And now I'll go to search, and here I will use PgAdmin. I'll open this. So this is the PgAdmin page. I'll come to this server, expand this. Here we will provide our password. Click OK. So this is a PgAdmin dashboard. So we can create databases here. By default, Postgres database is available here. So if I want to create a new database, I will click on this databases tab and click on this create new database. And here I will give the database name. I'll name this test DB, and now I'll click save. So now you can see here it is DB is created. If I expand the schema and come to this tables tab, you can see that we do not have any table available here. So I'll right click on this create table, and here I can create a table. So I'll name this table as test underscore TBL, and now here I can create the column. So to create a column, I will click on this add row tab, and I will make this ID, and I'll select data type as int, and it will be not null, and it will be primary key. Then I will add another column, and it will be name, and it will be character, and then I will add another column f name, and it will be character as well. And now if I click save, so now you can see that this table is created right here. Now if I expand this, and if I expand the columns, so you can see ID name and f name columns right here. So in this way you can install PostgreSQL database on Windows 11. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.